everybody, it's Sid
and Jordan.
How's it going today? We are Subscription Sisters. Alright, so we're back today. We got some new videos for you guys. So let's get down to it.
What are we starting with?
My favorite. It's always a goodie.
Is this your favorite?
This seriously is my favorite box that we have done yet.
If you have not noticed, she says this is my favorite on almost every single video.
I do not.
So one of our favorites, and this is one of our favorites, and
I don't know what
this
she's
is one of
talking
our
about.
favorites.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is actually her favorite.
Yeah, that's why I said this is my favorite.
You said that the last time too.
So we're back with Degusta box. This box is $20 a month.
How you use scissors?
And let's get down to it. These videos for Degusta are always our longest videos, and it's because there's so much stuff in them. So we're trying to speed it up and get through our boxes a little faster here for you guys.
Same packaging.
Yes, packaging is always good.
Coupons.
Also, I just want to point out how fast we got it this month. We're only 2 days into the month of October, and I have this box. So our shipping is amazing.
2 coupons, and they are actual coupons, so I'm sure they are products in the box.
Look, we got booty! We have booty! I'm so excited.
Not just any old booty, we got pirate booty.
Pirate
booty.
I have had pirate's booty before, so...
Popcorn, right? It's popcorn.
Sounds so funny.
It's popcorn, right?
It's popcorn,
That's what I
yes.
thought.
It's like a white cheddar one.
Yeah.
So it's really good.
And it's not normal popcorn, it's baked rice and corn puffs, so it's not...
Oh, I didn't even know that. I just know it tastes good. I'm gonna move this outside.
It is corn, it is popcorn, but there's also rice puffs in it with it, so it's like...
Okay, so what's our theme this month?
October box. It looks fall oriented.
Okay, so there isn't really like a
It doesn't have
word.
like a barbecue theme or anything. It just looks like it's fall oriented.
Okay, cool. So first we have, like you said, we got our pirate booty. We got 4 packages of these, and they're all like your snack travel sizes of them. So
well, and the normal package of them has 12 of these, so we have a third of a package in this box.
Is that how old chips are?
Well, the individual ones for them, they package them as 12. It says it.
Oh,
It says it.
I
It
thought you
says
were
it.
just super
No,
smart.
it says it's a 12 pack. And we got 4, so 4, 8, 12 is a third.
Hey, got it. She's good at math.
So this is $6 basically for a full bag. So this is about $2 worth of snacks.
I highly recommend those. I'm not going to try them right now because I've already tried them.
Stick them right here.
Alright, next we have Tasty Cake Chocolate Junior.
It looks like cake. Don't say that.
I don't know why this looks funny. It just does. But enjoy by October 6th. That's printed right on the front.
Oh, interesting.
You guys have to eat this within 4
Well,
days.
I hope everybody gets their package by the 6th.
Yeah, I hope you do.
Maybe they don't ship to Alaska for some reason.
So if you don't get your boxes till after the 6th, I guess don't eat this. I don't know.
So it is $1.79. It combines a snack-sized vanilla sponge cake with a thick stripe of peanut butter coated in delicious milk chocolate.
I really want to try this, but I
also
really shouldn't.
feel like it's horrible.
Yeah, there's like 400 calories in this,
Next
so
item.
even
Next
one
item.
bite is
Just
going to be...
stop.
Okay, we'll keep
We'll
going.
give this to the skinny person in the family.
Alright, Balzen? Waffleton?
Oh, my nose is itching.
Waffleton? Crispy rolled wafers, and it's milk.
Waffleton.
Waffleton? Is that what it is?
I
Waffleton?
don't know. It doesn't give me...
How would you guys pronounce
There's
this?
no pronunciation guide. They're going with waffles. They're little waffles.
Okay.
Falafel.
This I will try.
Falafel.
These look... I wonder where these are from, because this sounds very, like, I don't know, European or something.
They remember the little... Are they called pirouettes? Where they're the long sticks that they dip in chocolate?
Oh, yeah.
I think it's basically the same thing, only this is a waffle that they dip in chocolate. So,
Okay, we're going to try this. Oh, yeah, they're very cute. Here. I won't try to knock them out, but this is what you're getting. So...
Oh, they're like little...
Yeah.
Like
and you have coffee.
They look like little cigarettes, though.
Oh, like the cigars. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Like, I don't know if I'd want to. Oh, they're messy.
It's very messy.
They kind of fall apart. Now you want to see what I bit into, but I don't know. They're like all, they fall into like pieces. So Well, that's a disaster.
Mm-hmm.
I actually recommend you bite from the other end first.
Yep.
Don't bite from the chocolate.
I love how we had 2 shots to try this and we screwed it
We
up
failed.
both
We
times.
failed both times. It's okay.
Okay. Those are good though. I mean, they're nice.
It reminds me so much. They're not pirouettes.
I know what you're talking about though. We got some in the single swag box.
They start with a P.
Mm-hmm. And they have like cinnamon or something.
Purine.
Anyways, I do think they would be really good with a cup of coffee.
I do too.
She's such a jerk. But I don't think it's a snack.
It's so good with coffee.
I don't think it's a snack that I just normally go to, but I think with coffee, I think it'd be nice. So.
This is perfect for October. This is creamy potato soup, and it is soup weather right now here. I don't know where everyone else is watching, but here it's like, what, 50 degrees Fahrenheit?
Yeah, it's cold and cloudy and rainy.
45
It's the
degrees.
Midwest. Because guess what? Tomorrow it's supposed to be 90 degrees. So, you know, we just have said that you never know what you're going to get in this state. So, this is cool though. Potato soup, it says it cooks in 5 minutes. Just add water. So, and this is a pretty good sized bag.
$2.99, so $3 for that bag.
Unfortunately, we can't try that right now.
I am just gonna, it says cooks in 5 minutes, just add water.
All right, so next we have another tasty cake. This is peanut butter candy cakes.
Oh. These are the vanilla sponge cake with a thick stripe of peanut butter coated and delicious milk chocolate. And I don't know what the other thing was.
All right, so, and there's 3 of them in
There's
here.
somebody
So
walking up
again,
the door.
I don't know. I'm not gonna probably try those because I don't think they're gonna be that great on my diet right now. So
What diet? They look delicious.
I love sixlets. Look, it's sixlets. You know, this makes me.
You know what I
love.
love? You know what I love?
So there's original, and then there's chewy.
I love that it says the perfect worry-free treat. Gluten-free, nut-free. It's just candy though.
It's just sugar. Okay, I've never had chewy ones before, so I take back about the diet thing right now.
This is
because I
so
need to try
funny
this.
because I don't like sixlets. Never have.
What?
I think they're the most boring candy. They're just this weird chocolate thing.
Chewy's not bad though. I've never had the chewy version before. And these are fruity flavored versus everybody knows original sixlets are just chocolate. Those are good.
Would you call that the perfect worry-free treat for your family?
Yeah, worry free. I have no worries.
You have no family.
Okay, this is cool. Busch's best.
You are so excited today. I'm so
I am.
excited.
If you guys couldn't tell, I've had 3 cups of coffee already, so that might be why I'm
The
like
salad
freaking out.
booster.
But look, isn't it cool?
Little chickpeas.
These are roasted garlic, and it says add a tasty crunch to salads and soups, or just enjoy as a snack.
I think it's crazy. This comes from Busch's, which makes like only baked beans.
Yeah. You gotta try one.
I didn't know they did anything besides baked
This
beans.
is very good packaging
And
as well.
It's also expensive. This is $4 for this bag. So, I mean,
Wow.
that's a good value, and I don't doubt that.
I want to try one.
I don't doubt it. What flavor
There's
do
so
we get?
little. These are roasted garlic.
And the other one is some sort of peppered flavor.
See
I
them
can't
all
read
in there?
it.
They're so cute. But it's good. I like
Oh,
it.
this is gonna mix great with my sixlet candy and my coffee.
Could you imagine being a troll
And like
and mixing these
chickpeas.
together? Chickpeas and sixlets?
We'd have to explain what a troll is. People don't understand that.
Everybody knows what an internet troll is. The jerks. Okay. There's so much candy
There's so
in
much
here.
candy. Halloween.
Halloween. I just hit me. That's probably this whole theme.
But it doesn't say that anywhere on here.
Yeah.
At all.
But
At all.
Anyway, so
There's so much candy in
oh,
here.
this looks good. Sea
Yes.
salt, caramel roca. No, roca. I'm gonna roll my R.
Make what's the first happy.
It's caramel, but our friends in Puerto Rico, they'll be happy.
Yes.
Anyways,
I've never met them. I just know Marielba and
we're doing shout outs now.
I don't know
Javier.
Javier and the 2 little kids. Lucas and because he's reminding me of the little spider
Alana.
on YouTube.
This is a terrible shout out. Okay, anyways.
I didn't go there. You did.
Caramel butterscotch. That's what these candies are. It's very nice packaging again. And we're going to try these. Oh man.
How much does this cost? Oh, this is $2.99. So
It's
$3.
4 ounces. Look.
Yummy. Cocoa beans, California almonds, and a dash of sea salt. This sounds amazing.
I know. I'm so. Do
like-
you want to just open one? Small bites for the camera.
It's so pretty though. Do
It
you guys
is.
See that little teeny tiny thingy?
I
mean, it looks like a little, you
Yeah.
know, with nuts pushed into it.
You know.
Well,
Oh.
that's how I got sick last time. Sharing your food.
I thought it was gonna be chewy. It's not. It is a hard butterscotch candy, like Werther's, except it has, I don't know,
That's
sea
like-
salt around it.
It's called Butter Crunch. That's what it's called.
Oh,
That's
That's
good
good.
though. Mm-hmm. Happy.
that's really good.
Happy.
Okay, next,
Is it more candy?
I think so.
Milk chocolate with banana filling.
Oh, this is definitely a Spanish dessert. It's carrot. I don't even know what it's supposed to be.
It doesn't say.
I can't really read the font, so I don't really know what this is.
eBay?
No, right there. It's a G.
Well, no, that's the name of the brand.
Oh.
That's not what this is called. It's Grotto Caribe. That's what we're calling it.
Grotto. Anyways, the font is a little hard to read, so I
And
don't
all
really
of
know.
the words are in Spanish or in hieroglyphics.
Hieroglyphics?
It's what it looks like to me, okay?
Hieroglyphics are pictures from Egypt. This is not even a picture.
Could you just laugh? It was funny.
Okay, I laugh.
But it
So-
doesn't look like it's Chinese or...
Do you want to try it?
It's got some weird banana filling. So,
We'll send this to our Puerto Rican friends and have them try it, and they can tell us if it's any good. We're not into banana in anything except
we got
a
that
banana.
nasty PB Crave that was chocolate peanut butter.
Ugh.
Like PB, and it was...
And that's just a personal preference. I'm not going to dock them points for that.
No,
but
I don't like bananas.
yeah.
Well, I like bananas. I don't
That's
like
what I
banana
mean. It has to
flavors.
just be bananas. Okay,
We got that from our mom.
next.
Is it more...
Sunspire peanut
Those
butter
are
chips.
expensive. Those are expensive, and I
This
was right.
is a full-size package of peanut butter chips.
And they're not melted in here. They're like
They're
all
not melted.
individual chips.
I am so thankful in Nebraska it is 50 degrees because they are not melted.
Made with real peanut butter.
Can't believe
How
I
much
just
is this
said
bag? Yes.
that. $3?
8.
8?
Have you bought
No.
chips recently?
I haven't. But
I would
see, if I
say-
do, I'm at Costco and I'll buy a big one.
But I would say the size of bag for chocolate chips from Nestle is running probably about $5 right now. So I don't doubt it. I don't know this brand necessarily, but maybe it's a nicer brand.
Well, we said this box is $20, so this is definitely on its way to making it worth the value here. So,
I mean, even just like these.
yeah, you had those.
I'm happy with the full size items. Yeah.
All right, last thing in our box, Welch's fruit snacks. Very cute. It's cool to see some name brand products in here as well.
It's like
it says
5
new.
different flavors.
So if you guys remember with these boxes, you're going to get to try new items that haven't hit grocery stores just yet. So this box, as you can see, is new. So it's something that will be on the shelves soon. And then you can purchase it.
So it's a super fruit mix.
Oh, because it's got, I was going to say they have fruit snacks though. It's because there's 100% vitamin C, there's vitamin A, E, gluten-free, all that good stuff. So that's why this is a new one. I couldn't figure that out.
What's funny is it tells me on here what the flavors are in there, but it doesn't say anywhere on the box.
Yeah, you just have to look at it. It just says kiwi. Oh, that's a pomegranate.
But it tells me on here. It just doesn't say it. Does it say it on there?
No, it doesn't. You're right.
That is so
It
weird.
just says made with real
because
fruit.
it shows on here there's 5 different flavors: pomegranate passion fruit, starfruit kiwi, dragon fruit blackberry, acai blueberry, and goji apricot. That was a lot of fruit.
So,
But it doesn't. Are they
I
all,
would say Welch's needs to take that feedback and somehow incorporate that because I did not get that many fruits from their packaging.
Well,
either.
and you would have no idea looking at this which one's which. And now I know what they are, and I can guess this
Oh,
one
it smells
has.
good.
I'm assuming this has blueberry in it, and there's one with blueberry, but
That was good. You're right. Yeah, so I definitely think
Just
they
an
need to
observation.
rework their packaging a
I'm a
little
nerd
bit.
and I want to know what I'm eating.
These are good
They're
though.
good.
I mean, they taste just like fruit gummy snacks. I can't tell that they're any healthier
well,
than anything else.
I don't
so-
think they're necessarily healthier.
Well, I just mean that it's got the extra vitamins.
I really like Welch's personally. If you're gonna eat fruit snacks, they're the best.
So, how many items did we get in this box? Because it still feels like we got a lot of stuff.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 items.
15 items.
That includes the little individual. We also got 2 coupons.
Ooh, I didn't even see the coupons.
So $1 off of the little caramel thingies.
Oh, these things.
Those little guys, $1 off of a bag of those.
Okay.
And 50 cents off of the little waffles.
You need a waffles. Cool.
Yeah.
So you get those. So for $20 a month,
the funny thing is, the things I'm most excited for are not the candy, but I like the soup. I like the little salad thingies. I like the peanut butter chips.
But honestly, the only thing in here I wouldn't eat is that little banana thing. So I'm glad there's only one of them. So honestly, I think it's still a really good box. And value for your money, you're definitely, I mean, I really think, just in my head with the math,
I definitely think you'd spend $20 on all this at least.
So this is not my favorite Degusta box we've gotten yet. Last month they killed it. So I thought that was amazing.
last one was the most amazing box
ever. It was great. So this is not my favorite one of theirs. However, it's still my favorite subscription box. I mean, $20, you get all this food. It's fun stuff. It's different.
You get to eat it. Who doesn't like eating?
I would say value for your money, 1 to 5.
I would say this month is a 4.
Okay. I think I'll go with a 4 as well. I was kind of thinking that, but I wanted to see what you said first.
No, I still like it, but I don't think it's maybe as good a value as previous months.
I can't say it's as good as last month, and last month was totally 5 stars. So yeah. All right. Don't forget, you guys, you can get your first box of Degusta for only $10, free shipping. Cancel at any time. I'll post the link down below.
It's legit because I did it off of her code.
Yeah, it totally works. So don't worry. And then don't forget to do all other things. That's it. And then you're good.
Like us, follow us, not in a stalker way. Thank you.
All right, guys. We will see you later and on our next video. So keep it real, and we'll see ya. Bye.
Bye.